Hi, this is Judy at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink, and today I'm showing you different kinds of hoops and what they can be used for and how big they actually are, because the names of them are a little deceiving. So this is a 4¼ inch hoop, and this is the back of it. So what you're going to do is you put this in your holder, you put backer on it, then you put your shirt, and then you're going to lock this in. It's a very strong magnet, and it even says on it, keep away from pacemakers. So you have to be very careful. You can get your fingers pinched in there. So you have to be careful about the magnets. But since it says it's a 4¼ inch hoop, but this size in here, you can't fit a 4¼ inch design. The biggest you can go in here is about 3.4. Any more than that, you're pushing it, because the width of the presser foot is about ¼ inch, and you want to give yourself a little bit of leeway. You do not want to hit this with your needle. So you have to be careful about that. Now, a small hoop like this you might use for a small left chest, or you might use it for a sleeve. So what you have to keep in mind is the sleeve big enough for this to go into it? If it's a lady's small or extra small, it might not fit, and you have to consider that. And also for a sleeve, usually your design is only about 2½. So this is a good hoop for that. The next size up is 5½ inch hoop, and the biggest we can go in here is about 4.7. Even though it's called 5¼ you can only go to about that size. The next size up, let's go to this one, is a 13×16. And this would be for a full front or a full back, or you might use it on a towel, or just anything really big. You always want to use the smallest hoop that you possibly can. So this is our biggest hoop. It's 13×16. Right now, that's our biggest one. This is a hat hoop. Your hat goes on here, and you have to have a hat driver, and then this will go on the machine and rotate and sew the hat. The other one that we have is a gator clamp. When this is on the machine, you can move these arms in or out and just clamp. These are clamps that go up and down, and they hold your fabric or your leash or whatever it is that you're embroidering in these two clamps. I'll have another video on how to mount it, but how to adjust it. You need a 3/32 inch Allen key, and there's holes here, 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 here. And what that does is it lifts these arms up and down so that they're high enough to go over this bar.